Good morning, YouTube. Or I guess, I don't know, when I'm posting this, it might be evening, but I'm back. Hello, hello, hello. All right, so today I decided to start filming because why not? Every time I post on my Instagram, I get so many comments asking, when are you coming back to YouTube? Can you please post on YouTube? And you know what? I've been wanting to for so long, but I have been so crazy busy with my brand, and it's been really exciting. But every time I get on my camera and I start to film, I literally will film like, I don't know, a bunch of random things, and then I'll forget to keep filming because we get like thrown in a meeting, or something goes on with production that needs me. And yeah, but good morning. It's morning for me. I don't know when I'm posting this. I'm having a green juice and my detox smoothie. I'll make a video one time on these beverages that I drink every single morning. But yeah, so today I'm going to be filming a bunch of content for a few different things on my Instagram. And I typically like to just take one day and film it all because, listen, I don't get ready every day. I literally always have my hair in a bun. I have like no makeup on, and I just look like a bum. So today I'm going to film a bunch of content, and I am also going to talk to you about one of the lingerie brands that I've been loving lately called Lounge. And I'm also going to show you a new hairstyle that I have been absolutely loving to do. It's kind of like a soft, beachy, beautiful wave texture, and it's so easy to do. I've been doing it like every time I shoot content now. That's my go-to look. So I'll show you guys that little tutorial. But first, I wanted to get into the lounge sets. So if you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen over the last like 6-7 months me posting in lingerie, and one of the brands that I've been loving is Lounge. So typically I'm the kind of girl that likes to wear black underwear, but when I discovered Lounge, I saw that they had so many bright, fun colors that I really just gravitated towards. And whenever I'm wearing color, my friends, not necessarily my underwear, but my friends are always like, why don't you wear color more? It looks so good on you. It looks really good with the contrast of your skin tone. And I'm like, you know what? Maybe I should just like dive into the color. So why don't we start off with one of my first sets that I love and that I've worn and posted on my Instagram. I actually have 2 pairs of these. That's why this one still has a tag on it. This color is just so stunning, and the way it looks on my skin is so nice. I have a photo of me wearing it here from a trip that I did a while back, and I just got so many compliments from my husband on the color. This is the Blossom Balcony Bra. And this one I know comes in different colors. I love the yellow, but I also have it in a really nice teal turquoise color. I've also worn this one on my Instagram. Photo here. It's just really flattering on the body, and for me, the most important thing when it comes to lingerie is finding a brand that uses really soft lace, because you never want to be itchy or get those red marks after wearing it all day. And the way this lace lays on the skin is so nice and beautiful, and it's just so soft. Like, I can actually wear this all day and sleep in it. The one that I actually like to sleep in the most is the triangle set. It is so comfy. I love to wear this like on a daily basis, under sweaters, under t-shirts, just alone to go to bed. This bra is super nice. It has like an elastic band there, so it's super stretchy, really comfortable, and it comes with a really cute little thong to match. One of the other colors is this really pretty like emerald green. And what's so beautiful about this is that it has this really pretty satin-like finish on the front and then the beautiful lace on the side. So I think this detailing is just so beautiful and really classy, really timeless, kind of gives you that vintage feel. Is the one that goes with it, which is also so stunning. I love the satin paneling on the side. It's so pretty. This one is called the Silk Balcony, just so you know. So pretty. I love this. I also wore this one in white, which I can show a photo of here as well. It was so beautiful, so stunning. There was also another one that was one of my favorites that is actually in laundry, so I can't show you on camera because that'd be gross. But the one that was, I think, my ultimate favorite, I wore back when I was in Africa, and I posted a photo of it. The detailing on that set is so beautiful, and that set is much more me. I love, like, is it an embroidery? I don't want to get into the technical things because I don't make the bras, but it looks like a beautiful embroidery on this really nice lace that is so beautiful, very, again, classy, and just really stunning. I could go on and on about all these sets. I mean, I literally have like a pile of lounge here. And I can't actually find my bra to this, but this one I just wore in Italy. So cute, so fun. Everyone loved that one on my Instagram. Let's insert a photo here. And the way the beautiful, is it flowers? Yeah, they're like florals. The way these beautiful florals just like laid on the bra, on the chest area was so, so nice. Another fun one that I also wore while I was in Italy is this super cute set. This gives me spring vibes. It makes me feel like young and fun, but also sexy at the same time, which I think is hard to achieve. Like, this really just has the perfect balance of the two. And this one is called the Fleur Balcony. So cute, really flattering. It gives like a nice push up to your boobs without having the padding. And the underwear is even cuter. I love a split string bottom. I think it's really flattering, and the shape that it gives to a woman's figure, especially me. I don't have like really big hips, which I wish my hips were a little bit bigger, but can't have everything you want. But the way that these straps go sort of higher on the waist and then these go around the hips gives you the illusion that you have a nice, figure. So those are the pieces that I love. I have a code for you guys for a discount if you want to try it out for yourself. There's so many more beautiful sets that are available on Lounge underwear, and if you want to shop my code, I'll put it in the description box down below, so be sure to check that out. And yeah, so next up, hey guys, okay, so what I explained in the beginning of this video is that every time I go to film something and I think it's gonna work out, it just doesn't. And this is a perfect example, so I'm being honest. And that first clip of the video, I was in LA and I had hoped to be doing a content day, but then something happened with Joja, had to go downtown, go check out some new samples, and that's what happened. So now I'm in New York and I've just done my makeup, getting ready for the day to shoot content again. So hopefully this day goes well. I'm gonna get some content done, and I'm gonna show you my hair routine. So stay tuned. Here is how I get my really pretty waves. All right, so on to getting ready. Also, I'm filming on my phone because my camera is charging. Also, little friend there. Bye. So I'm gonna do my hair. It's funny because I just started to brush it out, and this is basically just me sleeping on it in a bun. And I was like, wait, my hair kind of already looks done, but I'm gonna add my new favorite waves to it. I have been obsessed with this iron. I don't even know what it's called. It's like a mermaid wand, but basically it has 3 prongs in it. So you basically just slide your hair into there and it makes the prettiest waves. Oops, it's sizzling because I got water on it. So I usually set mine to 375. There's like a few different settings on here. Okay, so there's really 2 ways that I do this depending on the day. Sometimes I'll start in the front and work my way back sort of sideways around my head. But I think because I just slept on my hair and it's not blow dried, I need to kind of go level by level just because my roots are a bit more curly. Okay, so I'll just take a piece about this wide. You can actually surprisingly fit a lot of hair into the little prongs that they have there. So I'll take a piece like this, open up the prongs, and I try to get as close to the root as possible, and then you just let it sit. When you take it off, there's like the prettiest little mermaid waves. And it's so easy. You can't really mess up because you just really like work yourself down to the end of your hair. And there you go. So I'm gonna do the rest of this and not talk through the entire thing. And then I'll talk when it gets back to the video. Get around to the front area, I like to smooth these little bits out, and the way I do that is just by taking an iron. Just lay it. I'm not burning myself. If I gave you my heart, you could tear it apart. And if I tell you how I feel, would you be good to me? Good to me. How nice if I just could let you in, let you in. I know. All right, so I finished all of the back. You can see it just makes the prettiest wave, and it literally looks like I spent like an hour on my hair, but really it takes like 15 minutes to do this. So now that I've gotten around to the front pieces, what I like to do from here is not take it by levels. I leave about this much, and then I'll take it in sections like this and work my way forward. And I like to be a little bit, I guess you could say, less perfect about the front. Smooth that out a bit. Just so that it looks a bit more natural. Especially when I get around to my face area, I really like it to lay in a certain way, and I think also it depends on everyone's face shape and the way they like their hair to fall. I'll explain it a little bit more when I get up there. Let me just finish this back piece. But you see this one, I actually have quite a bit of hair, and it curls so nicely and just makes it a little bit more natural on the top. Another tip that I guess I didn't explain so well is that on the bottom pieces, I was holding my hair flat like this, whereas these ones, I do it more to the side so that the wave isn't sticking up on the top. Okay, now I am on to my last front piece for this side. So you see the way the pieces are more curling sort of like outwards rather than up and down, up and down. That's kind of what I was explaining on this side. It just makes the prettiest waves. I am obsessed with this look. Okay, now for the front piece, this is the one that I kind of have to play with because I haven't really nailed down exactly how I like it. But I'm gonna take it the same way I just did those pieces, and instead of going flat, I'm gonna go out sideways. All right, and then once that's done, I like to let it cool off a little bit. And then I personally like on my face shape when this piece comes a bit forward and then this sticks out here so that you can see the high point of my eyebrow, because I feel like it just pulls my face up a bit. So then I'll sort of play around with that to see how I can achieve that perfect bend right there. But while it cools off, I'm just gonna tuck it behind my ear and then finish the other side really quick. Okay, now I have finished both sides, and let's see if I can get it to lay the way I want. This one is doing what I want. You see how it's like opening up here? So it gives that nice look. So I'm gonna take this front piece again and just sort of like play with it. What I do often is I'll take this and I'll brush it down so that it directs my hair more forward. So I get more of that sort of Bardot feel in the front. And then why don't we try to take it flat instead of back and see what happens. Just not burn my face while we're at it. I'm gonna hold it there until the heat cools down a bit, just to sort of set it. And then there we go. From there, I mess it up a little bit. And also as the day goes on, it falls and gets like a little bit more natural. But people always ask me when I do my hair like this, how I did it or who did my hair. And I'm like, it's so easy. All you need is a 3-prong iron. And I've seen other ones before that the barrels are a bit bigger, and that doesn't work on my hair because my hair is pretty like fine and soft and curls just like to fall. So I want to say this looks like 1 inch, I think. Yeah, that's how I do it. Okay, so I just stepped out to natural light. There's like a big window in front of me because I came out here to take a photo for the thumbnail, and I realized how much prettier the curls look in the natural sunlight. So I wanted to show you guys here. It's super shiny and so nice and sort of beachy looking and just so soft. And my hair usually falls so easily, and for some reason with these waves I can literally sleep tonight, wake up, and the waves are even better. So yeah, let me know if you guys try this. It's super easy to do. I'm sure there's like so many different wands out there that can execute this look. So if you do it, tag me on your Instagram stories or something, because I'd love to see it. See you next time.